You trying to figure out how I got my hair this cute? Stay tuned, boo. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. It's Nisha Babii. Back at it again with a hair review. Back at it again with a hair review. Alright, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Hey boo, thank you for stopping by. And if you are a ride or die, what's up boo lad? Thank you for coming back like I knew you would. So, it is lipstick on my teeth, okay? Don't judge me. I'm not going to redo it. This is what you're getting. Point blank period. I am too busy. Love me, okay? For me. The unit I am wearing today is by a company called Fingercomber, and they have been in the game for about 3 years. But I'm just now hearing about them. I know I'm a little late, but thanks Ma for putting me on because baby, somebody should have told me about this, because this right here is cute. I cute. Like, I can't keep my hands off of it. Ugh, just so gorgeous, so pretty. Who knew? Who knew? They knew. I'm gonna put y'all on. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, the packaging comes like this. We're gonna open it up. This is what this says. And in here is our baby. Alright. So it's wrapped up in wrapping paper. Set that aside. And this is what it looks like outside of the box. And it's very bouncy and fluffy and flowy, which we like. And here's the inside. It has the adjustable straps. See? And another comb in the back. And another adjustable strap on this side. So adjustable straps, combs to secure your unit. Alright, so I've already pre-sectioned my hair into twist. In today's video, I'm just going to show you all how to simply just bonk it. Like just put it on right out the box and just keep it moving. Now normally I would wash my wigs, but this is synthetic and you can wash synthetic wigs with some dish detergent, but I'm just gonna wear it right out the box. Alright, so I have my wig cap for protection, and I'm also gonna put I've already applied some butters on my hair, as well as a leave-in conditioner by Melly Organics, but I'm gonna apply some more on my edges. Yeah. So bam, you already know, here it goes. Just get a little dab dot out. And you can pull your hair back, but I mean my shrinkage is real, so I'm just gonna let it stay like this, but do what you want. This hair is pretty big anyway, so it will cover any bulkiness, but if you're the type of person that is just used to a certain standard while wearing your wigs, you want it to be flat and tight every time, I say just pull it back, you know, with some bobby pins, or you can pull it back with a scrunchie. The trick is to slide your cap back. Just like that. All right. So, have my hair. And I'm just going to assume that this part is the front, because you know, in a regular wig, like a lace front, this would be the lace. So yeah, it is. This is the front, because back here is where the adjustable straps are. So I'm gonna pull this in. Move the hair out. So I'm going to use this comb back here to hook into my hair. So, demonstration. And then what you do now is tuck the wig cap like that on both sides. And again, remember, we push that wig cap back because we don't want to wear it up here and be looking like this. We're not going to do that. We're going to make it look natural, look like it's coming out of our scalp. So the trick for that is to push the wig cap back and slide the comb under. So I'm just finding a nice sweet spot where I want to put it. And that's my sweet spot. Now, some people may want to leave some hair out in the front. I'm just want to show y'all how it looks like this. I like it already. Okay. I'm gonna pull some of my hair up like this with a comb. You can use whatever you have. I'm just using this. Now, I did twist my hair. So you could leave a little bit out, but look, it looks natural, right? This is like my hair, right? So I'm just taking out the front two twists so I can blend my hair in with this hair. I'm just taking it out like this, but not at the ends so much, because remember, the ends on a wig are like this. I just comb it like this so it can have that look just like the wig. You know, mine have some texture up here because of what I did. I twisted it. More of a closer comb. That way it can be combed out a little bit better. See, like that? Okay. And then this one is the last one that I'm going to comb out. I still like to use a wig cap to protect my hair from the inside of the wig. I don't want it to mess up my natural moisture in my hair, and I want to also protect it while I'm doing a protective style. So now I'm going to take the adjustable straps and I'm going to tighten it, because I'm not using this as a full wig and I want to make sure it's tight as possible, but not too tight. Same on the other side. Now we ready. All right, so now I'm gonna place this on my head. I'm using these combs in the back to go under my wig cap to secure it. This not supposed to show. So you just pull it in like that. Bam. Same on the other side. And you see how my hair blends because the way I decided to comb it out. But I'm gonna play with it a little bit. My pick. Can't find my other pick, but this one will do. So now normally I'm an edges girl. I will slay my edges and slick them down, hunty. But for this style, I'm not going to do. I may just let me lay these down. That's it. But everywhere else, I'm not gonna lay. So you already know who I fool with. The truth. I need that much. Break that in half. Now I ain't gonna do no little swoop, like no waves like I usually do. I'm just gonna brush it like that. And do the same over here. That's it, honey. I wonder if I want to do a side part like she did. I'm gonna do that. Ooh. Wait a minute. Let's put it over here because I like that look. I like the down the middle look as well, but y'all saw I just did it, so yeah. Oh yeah, this wig is dope. And make sure when you're separating that you don't mess up the ends. You want to be careful to not mess up the ends. Unless you just don't want that look. I like that look though. Ooh, yes. Diana Ross vibes. Okay. Yes, honey. Okay. I'll be right back, y'all. Oh, I just did my nails, so. Oh. What? There we go. Pow, bloom, blow. Oh. Yes. All right. Let me get myself together and cute, and I will be right back. Hey y'all, this is the final look. Get into it. So this time I wanted to give y'all a different look, you know, with the lips or whatever, and just get into the makeup. But yes, so let me give y'all my review on this hair. I love this hair. I mean, it looks like the photo, does it not? Does it not? It does. So kudos to them. Fingercomber, they've been out for years. I want to say about maybe 3 years now, a little bit more than that. And this particular unit that I have is called Hair Goes, and let me tell you, it is serving all the goes for me. Like, you can't even tell this is my hair because I know my hair, but I have a color number 4, you know, and it blends so well. It just looks so natural if you just follow the steps that I've showed you. If you have this texture hair or can manipulate your hair to be this texture, I promise you, boo-boo, you will not be disappointed. Okay? It's very lightweight. It smells, it doesn't have a smell to it. So, I mean, if you want to put a smell to your hair, you could spray a little something, but it doesn't have a smell to it. It's very lightweight, very bouncy, as you all see, very flowy, has big volume, and I just love it. Like, you could wear it like this, you can put it anywhere, you know, and it just looks good. You can put it down the middle. Be careful. I don't want to mess my curler, but you get the point. You can put it down the middle and everything. Like, I just love it. Let me get it back to how I had it because I wanted it like the unit on a picture. But you can put this hair up and down. You can do a lot of different styles with this hair. And if this is something you are interested in and want to see more videos like that, let me know in the comment section below and I can make that happen for y'all. But I am so in love with this unit. I will keep y'all updated on how it does throughout the rest of the weeks when I decide to wear it. But this is a summer spring look. Like, I know some people's like, oh, you should wear it for summer, but baby, I can't wait. This is too cute. To me, I feel like you can wear this anytime. Winter, summer, fall, spring, you know, just rock it. It's natural. And you know, I'm so happy that they have units like this that are not too expensive. Because for me, there are other companies out there besides Fingercomber that have natural units like this. I can't think of them right now, but I'll list them here. And they be like $300, $400. And baby, I'm not paying that much money to wear something that looks like my hair. Like, I'm just not gonna do it. I'm sorry, that's just me. You know, whatever. If you want to do it, good to you. I ain't on that level yet. I do it what I can and how I know to do it. So yes, please tell me how you feel about this look in the comment section below. Let me know if you prefer a natural unit, rock your African roots, or you prefer a different unit that has, wavy curls, or it's like a Peruvian wave or a wet wave, any type of thing. I like to rock different styles, as you all see, of course, on my channel. And if you haven't, I'm gonna leave a playlist somewhere over here. So be sure to click it, because you ain't got nothing else to do. So you might as well just watch it, right? Right. All right, well, it's been real. I'm gonna go cuddle up with Bae. But before I go, thank y'all for sticking with your girl to the end if you made it this far. Before you go, I'm gonna need for y'all to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell so you know what left behind, because you don't want to be in the rear. You don't want to be back there. Look at my hair. You don't want to be back there. You want to be right here with me getting this knowledge and this tea when I drop it. All right, y'all stay tuned, because I feel like y'all gonna want me to have more videos like so. All right, I'll see y'all till next time. Bye.